Hello, my name is Vanette. I have done some research. However, research as a subject seems a little different. So, what would make learning research fun for me? At this point, I have an open mind. Therefore, I cannot identify any possible fun or lack of it at this point. But according to the program overview, research is relevant to social work practice, and I am ready to learn. I'd like to say that I am still somewhat wary of statistics and data analysis popping up somewhere along the way, but I've worked with Excel program and I enjoy creating spreadsheets. I even have this textbook, which I may be able to use as reinforcement. After viewing the syllabus, let's say, interestingly, the course introduction/welcome message states that research is everywhere and we use it daily even if we are unaware. Therefore, after reviewing the syllabus, my excitement now is the final research project. I'm always excited about meeting others, sharing thoughts and experiences, then working together as a unit. I'm looking forward to learning from others who may understand the mechanisms of learning research. However, if we are all at the same level, then we will depend on our quest for knowledge and we will certainly engage our professor. Thank you.